In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks. Whether you're fixing a count after a stock take, writing off damaged goods, or correcting a data entry error, this process is quick and precise, and it keeps your books accurate. First, open QuickBooks and go to the main workspace. Move your cursor to the Create button to reveal the list of transactions you can start. From that menu, choose Inventory QTY Adjustment. This opens the adjustment form where you'll do all the work. At the top of the form, set the adjustment date. This date matters for your accounting because QuickBooks posts the change to that day, affecting inventory valuation and cost of goods sold. Use the actual date you discovered the discrepancy or completed your physical count. Next, pick an adjustment reason. Choosing a clear reason, like shrinkage, damage, recount, or data correction, helps you later when you review reports and explains to your team why the numbers changed. Now, select the product or variant you need to adjust. Start typing the item name to search and make sure you choose the correct variant if your item has sizes, colors, or other options. You'll see the current quantity on hand so you know your starting point. In the quantity fields, you have two ways to make the change. If you know the final, correct number on the shelf, enter that in new quantity. If you prefer to enter just the difference, use change in quantity with a positive number to add units or a negative number to reduce them. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the other field based on what you enter, so you only need to fill in one. Double check units of measure and be sure you're adjusting the right item. If you have several items to update, you can add them on additional lines before saving. Keep your notes consistent and your reasons specific to make future audits easier. When everything looks right, click Save. Your inventory updates immediately, and the adjustment is recorded to the appropriate inventory adjustment account for clean bookkeeping. If you run into a warning about dates or permissions, it usually means there's a closing date set or your user role needs access to inventory adjustments. Check with your administrator. That's it. With a careful date, a clear reason, and the correct quantity, you'll keep your inventory accurate and your financials reliable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.